In controlling, there are few changes in transaction codes. For example, you can see the transaction code KP06 in SAP ECC, which is used for cost center planning. Now in SAP S/4HANA, the transaction code KP06 has been deleted and it is now replaced with the SAP Business Client, which is used now for cost center planning. The second transaction code, which is KSS1H, is introduced now in SAP S/4HANA Finance. This transaction does not exist in SAP ECC. This transaction code is used to calculate variances as one of the tasks in period end closing.